Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions. On today's tutorial we are going to show you how to set your units on Civil 3D. So by default we used to go with UNIT or maybe UN, and then you click on enter. It comes up with the drawing unit window. The length is decimal, precision perhaps you take it to 3 decimal places, the scale here you make it meters, the angle, degree minute and seconds, clockwise, direction, north, okay and okay. So I did this on a particular project, but as I proceeded I saw that the units that I was having were in feet, right? So what did I do? I now use this DWG unit command to confirm what the AutoCAD drawing unit is, like the template, what the AutoCAD template is. So when I did that, I realized that by default the template was running on feet. You can see different units here. 1 is for inches, 2 for feet, 3 for millimeters, centimeters, decimeters, and then meters, right? Good. So I now realize that perhaps it's from the template that the issue was coming from, not from the drawing units I've set. So we are going to click on 6. 6 actually means what? Meters, right? Good. Then there's a prompt that how do we want to display the format? Is it scientific or decimal? So most times we use decimal, so you click on 2 or you type 2 and then you enter. Then the precision, do you want it to be 3 decimal places, 2 decimal places, as the case may be? So we usually leave it at 3 decimal places, so we click on enter. Now it's asking us to scale objects from other drawing upon insertion. Yes, we are going to type either yes or Y, and then that takes the command as what? Yes. Then match INS units to drawing unit. We are doing that for that as well. And then it's now asking us to scale objects in current drawing to reflect changes. We are also doing that, so that's yes. So we have the next command, which I believe should be the last. So include objects in paper space, we also say yes. We are done with what? The commands. And what this simply means is that if we close this window and then we prompt DWG units again, which is that, we are now going to see that the unit of our length is 6, which is what? Meters, right? Good. So when you proceed from here, you will find out that those units mismatch that you were having earlier would have been corrected. So we believe we have provided solution to this particular solving problem. We'll see you with another interesting one. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.